Huh? Take your gun and move the browser. Hold tight, Chris. All right, they're working him out. They're working him out. Tell them dead. Wait till your dogs get there. Wait till your dogs get there. All right, they're working on him. Coming on up in here. Old Swamp Rabbit tried to pull the trick on him. But y'all here. Y'all here. Yes, y'all here. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. All right, Christian, hold them up for the camera. Let me see what you got there. Swamp Rabbit, old Swamp Rabbit went out and come right back. Old Christian hot. He too hot today. Yes, sir. Dr. Quez, you better watch out. This guy here ain't playing now. I'm trying to tell you now. Yes, sir. Way to work, way to work, way to work. All right, we just jumped another one right back behind that other one. I say cook him, I say. And right there, guys, we call that cooking it. Yeah. Right by him again. We call that cooking it. They talking to him. If y'all can't hear him, y'all let me know. That's all I'm saying. KC said cook him. That mean they putting that feet on his ass now. The cottontail? He said black rap. All right, guys, they working on him now. I'm telling you, they working on him. Yes, sir. He ain't got to go home, but he got to leave here. Y'all hear me? Yes. Yes. Come on in here, Q. Let's get in here. We ain't gonna get KC all this in by himself. He can't do nothing with it. I told money, no, they ain't stepping on him, son. So what, Jim? I don't know. You need to figure out what's going on with you. You shot? Huh? You shot? Did you shoot? All right, who you representing, I say? Let me know. He done made his turn. Let's see what they're gonna do with it. Maybe done went across the road or something on him. He shut right off or in a whole one. Y'all be careful where you shoot at now. All right, white girl picked that check up. They going the other way, Q? Yeah, I know I'm moving too much. You get him? You get him? Hey, you get him? Talk to him, Kristen! That boy piping hot. Oh, Kristen, piping hot today. Oh, Kristen, piping hot, guys. That's all I can tell you. What you say about that, Daddy? Good work, good work. Oh, give the man credit. Come on now, it's a new hunter. You all don't even say that. Yeah, don't put that on that man like that. Ah, no, Casey. Yo. warm. Real warm, actually. They're trying to get him. Yeah, about 4 o'clock in the evening. I think they got a bit of 9 miles, 10 miles on right now. But they're working. Last day, so we're trying to get it done. We're looking for them. All right, guys. This is the end of the season for Cookham Kennels. We are signing off. We thank the Lord for a great day. And we got 12 on the tailgate. The boys said they caught 3. And man, we had some good running for it to be this hot. And a real good day for the last day. This group of guys you're looking at is Cookham Kennels. This is Cookham Kennels here. And this is at our best, 12 or 13. That's about best we're gonna do. We try to let the dogs run all of them. We don't do no jump shooting. No, sir. That little dog right there y'all looking at, we call her Hot Sauce. And she is the tailgate dog today. I think she jumped more rabbits. And from what I heard, she right on top of a few of them rabbits. She's a little bit over a year old. And she's a dynamite dog.
This time, yeah.
Yep, we had a great season. And we signing off. Everybody say bye-bye to rabbit season.
Bye-bye till next year.
Next year.
Peace out.
Next time y'all hear from us, we'll be doing training. That's what we do year round. You want them to be good dogs, you got to train them. Put them in the element. You can see the dogs laying down in there. They are real tired. They running real good to be in this heat. Everybody's trying to strip down all these clothes right now. Signing off. Rabbit season is officially over for Cookham Kennels.